Hello everybody, and what is going on? So today we're doing something a little bit different, a little bit special if you will. You've seen the title of the video, you've seen the thumbnail, let's not beat around the bush. Earlier this month I got sent a pair of custom Air Force Ones designed by Todd Owen Mapelli, aka Vanaloa. So for those of you who don't know who my man is, man like Vanaloa does custom designs on Air Force Ones. He has a big massive archive on his Instagram. He's recently started YouTube, and of course I'm gonna plug man's links so they're all in the description down below. And the shoes that I'm going to talk about today are on his YouTube channel. He does a little tutorial and you see a nice little time lapse of how he made both pairs of shoes. Yes, there are two pairs today. So for those of you who frequent my channel, you will know that I've got a very keen interest in customizing your own clothes, your own sneakers. I tried this myself quite a while ago with a pair of Air Force Ones, heavily inspired by ASAP Mob / Hi Mum, I'm Dead. And of course, selfless plug, if you want to see that video, I will leave that in the description down below as well. So let's talk about these shoes. Man like Todd did an absolute madness on these shoes. He kept me up to date with them, kept showing me his progress, and it is an absolute madness. You can see the progress that he's made on these shoes and other shoes on his Instagram page. I think I've already mentioned it, but double the plug. I've watched both videos myself and I have to say that this guy has mad talent. I'm absolutely loving the trend of customizing your Air Force Ones. Just using them as a canvas is absolutely mad. I especially love the anime theme because you all know that I'm a massive weeb. Don't watch that because it is too sick. Being a weeb is considered cool now, or is it? Argue in the comment section down below. So without further ado, let's jump into the unboxing of both of these shoes. Now again, my man sent me two pairs of shoes which I am actually gassed about. Air Force Ones are like £70 each, so this guy has made a massive commitment. So I thought it was only right to showcase this mad artwork on the channel. Now we have to pick a package to open up first. So eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Now we're not going to do that. This one. So now we have to carefully remove the shoes from their packaging. Yo. So I'm going to show you one shoe at a time. And here is the very first one. So on this side, we've got some sickoff Sailor Moon art. I am an absolute advocate for Sailor Moon. I absolutely love the old school vibe at that show. So I just love the fact that it's been immortalized on this shoe. The amount of detail in this is absolutely insane. And you can see on the back there's a street sign with Sick Mate on it. Of course, Tekka's personalization to the max. Hold tight, this custom. I'm just so impressed with this shoe. I absolutely love it. This is my favorite so far. Well, we've only seen one, but nonetheless, I absolutely love this. And of course, on the other side here, looking very, very good, very, very low key. You've got some of the scenery in the swoosh. And of course, you've got this sickoff chain here, because obviously I need to wear more accessories. So why not accessorize the shoe as well? It's a good start. And on the top of the shoe, we've got the yellow laces. I absolutely love this first shoe. Hold tight, man like Vanaloa coming in strong. So moving on to the left-hand side of the shoe, we have the Megazoid and Gundam in the same picture, surrounded by some sickoff scenery. Look at them sunflowers doing the absolute most. I just cannot get over the level of detail in here. Look at these mechs just doing the absolute most. I'm just so gassed that I have this pair in my hand right now. I saw all of the updates, the work in progress, the video, and now it's finally here for me to review. This is just an absolute madness. I love this shoe to the max. And on the other side of the shoe, you've got the rest of the scenery there. Just look at that low-key sunflower just minding its own business. And of course, you've got to match the right with the left. So again, we've got a nice little chain going down here, and we've got some more yellow going on. Both shoes together. I love the fact that the yellow laces do correspond to Sailor Moon's hair and the sunflower in the other shoe as well. Subtle details, fine details. So this side of the shoe is looking like an absolute madders, and on the other side of the shoe, it's low-key, but it's absolutely sick. So hold tight this first pair of shoes. So let's move on to the second pair. I have to be really careful with these, but here I am opening this like an absolute brute. I shouldn't be an unboxing channel because like I'm not doing a very good job of it. Oh, I like this. Flipping hell, Todd, you've done an absolute madness on these. Come on, come on. There's a Game Boy on these shoes. So I'll be perfectly honest with you. I am not familiar with this anime character, but according to the video, this is a noriko takaya from Top O Narigan. I am going to get slewed in the comment section, but here is the first shoe. Just look at the amount of detail in there. I'm probably gonna get demonetized for obvious reasons. I'm not gonna point it out, but there are some free tartars. Trip to the demonetized video, but hold tight this side of the shoe. Again, it's very, very detailed. I love this piece. This side does an absolute madness. I'm loving the theme of this as well. And on the other side of the shoe, we've got the same picture, but a little bit more low-key. It's just done a madness on the swoosh. Come on. You've got to appreciate a good custom, and this is as good as they come. On top of the shoe, we've got a Game Boy watch. It's not the right time, but that is easily rectified. Love the color coordination in the laces there as well. Nice touch. So hold tight the right side of the shoe. And here we have the left side of the shoe, looking very, very nighttime Tokyo, which I absolutely love. It really complements the other shoe. I cannot sing this pair of shoes praises enough. I'm just not doing it justice. I know that for a fact. These shoes are just so sick. Again, the amount of detail on this is absolutely insane. I know they look good on camera, but they look even better in person. So massive respect to anyone who customizes their shoes. Hold tight acrylic gang. On the other side of the shoe, we've got some more accessories. Look at that double chain there, minding its own business. And of course, under the chain, we've got the swoosh with even more nighttime Tokyo. Lift that up there and you can see the Neo Tokyo tings. Hold tight this accessory as well. This is a fine example of streetwear art. So this is the night pair of Air Force Ones with a dark theme. Absolutely banging. And on the other side, it is low key, but very, very wearable. Just look at it. Mad, mad. Too much madness. And here are all the shoes together. It's taken me like 4 attempts to balance these. So here we have the sickoff day theme and the nighttime theme. I want to give you some super close-ups because this is an absolute madness. So here is an even closer look at the Sailor Moon shoe. Sailor Moon signature pose. Out in the day, out in the city, and street signs at the back. No left turn, and sick mate on the streetwear sign on the back there. And on the other side of the shoe, we've got the low-key swoosh, and of course we've got the chain going from the top to the bottom of the shoe. A really nice touch, a superior touch even. Mad. Left hand side of the same shoe, we've got the Megazoid and Gundam. Absolutely banging. Again with the daytime theme, we've got the sunflower there as well. You can tell a lot of effort has gone into these, so big up my man for working so hard on these shoes. On the other side, again, you see some skyline and of course some low-key sunflowers there. Hold tight the accessory again. Super close up on the nighttime pair of shoes. Look at the level of intricate detail. Trip to the demonetized video once again, but it's worth it. Just look at these shoes. Mad. Other side of the shoe looking very, very sick, very techers. Top of the shoe, bruv. That is a Nintendo watch. Absolutely banging. My man did an absolute techers on this. And the last shoe of the day. Look at that techers Japanese street in the nighttime. You got shop windows, you got the lantern, you got the bike. It's all here. And this side of the shoe doing the absolute most. Lift up the accessory. You can see that there's a bike there. You man should know whose bike this is. So show some love in the comment section down below. And a nice little accessory there just to top it all off. It is an art piece. So there we go. All in all, I am very, very happy with these shoes. It has rekindled my love for custom shoes, personalizing your own stuff. I definitely have a newfound appreciation for Air Force Customs. I'm going to try and find some outfits to pair these shoes with because that's what they deserve. So again, thank you man like vanaloa for sending me these custom Air Force Ones. So let me know in the comment section down below which one of these shoes was your favorite. Me personally, I absolutely love the Sailor Moon shoe. I'm a big advocate for the daytime theme. It's bright, it's colorful. It was very, very creative. But the nighttime theme was a badders as well. Come on. Also, let me know in the comment section if this has inspired you to customize your own Air Force Ones or customize your clothing in general. If you've had a go, again, let me know what you did. Of course, I'll be leaving my man's links in the description down below. If you want to check out more of his stuff or the making of these shoes, they will be on his YouTube channel. Again, all linked in the description down below. Take a shot every time he says link in the description. No, you will die of alcohol poisoning. Stop this game. And that is actually where I'm going to end today's video. So if you like this video, then you can give it a nice little like. If you want to subscribe and see more of what I do, because I do a lot of fashion based stuff, lifestyle based stuff and style based stuff, then you can by using a subscribe button that can be located anywhere on this webpage here. Share this video with your friends. Waffle gang gang, cozy boys, you're done though. And now that is everything. These shoes, man.